Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 196. Day 196, we are in the process of solving word problems from day 101 to 200, and today is our 96th day of solving a word problem. Problem for today is already on the blackboard. I'm going to read it to you. It says, find a number such that the amount by which it exceeds 50, is 12 more than the amount by which it falls short of 100. That's all. So we have to find that number. What is that number? That the amount by which it exceeds 50 is exactly 12 more than the amount by which it falls short of 100. Well, here's the solution. Let's pretend that the number that we are looking for, let's pretend that the number is x, so we can talk about it. Let's pretend that the number that we're looking for is x. Now, the amount by which it exceeds 50, the amount by which the amount by which 65 exceeds 50. How much is the amount by which 65 exceeds 50? Well, 65 exceeds 50 by 15. How do we find that 15? By taking out 65 and subtracting from it 50. 65 minus 50. The amount by which 53 exceeds 50, the amount by which 53 exceeds 50 is 3. How do we find it? By subtracting 50 from 53. 53 minus 50 is the amount by which 53 exceeds 50. I'm going to say it one more time slowly. 53 minus 50 is the amount by which 53 exceeds 50. Seventy-two exceeds 50 by 22, or 72 minus 50. There you go, you get the idea. The amount by which x exceeds 50 is whatever the x is minus the 50. Let's do the next one. The amount by which x falls short of 100 equals 100 minus whatever that number is. For example, the amount by which 85 falls short of 100. How much does 85 falls short of 100? 85 falls short by 15. I cannot speak, because had we had 15 more, then 15 plus this 85 would have given us 100. So the amount by which 85 falls short of 100 is 100 minus 85, or 15. The amount by which 99 falls short, that says short, I don't know if you can read my handwriting, falls the amount by which 99 falls short of 100. How much does 99 fall short of 100? In other words, how far away is it from 100? It's only one away. 99 falls short of 100 by only one. How do we find that one? By subtracting 99 from 100. How much the amount by which 5 falls short of 100 is 95. How did we find that? By doing 100 minus 5. Similarly, the amount by which x falls short of 100 is 100 minus x. There you go. That's it. The rest is downhill. Now we can have our equation. So we are told that the amount by which it exceeds 50, the amount by which it exceeds 50 has to equal is, you see, is the amount by which it exceeds 50, the amount by which it exceeds 50 is, this is the is part, is 12 more than the amount by which it falls short of 100. Amount by which it falls short of 100. Now these two quantities are not equal to each other. It is 12 more. This amount here, the amount by which it exceeds 50, the amount by which it exceeds 50 is 12 more. This quantity is 12 more than this quantity. Again, one more time. The left hand side is 12 more than this quantity. If they are not equal, this is 12 more. So if I want to put the equal sign here, what do I have to do? Well, since this quantity, the amount by which it exceeds 50 is 12 more, either I have to subtract 12 from it to make it equal to this guy, or add 12 to this guy to make it equal to this guy. Either way is fine. Do you understand? So let's add 12 to this guy. Because this quantity, one more time, because the amount by which it exceeds 50 is 12 more, therefore we have to add 12 to this side to make this quantity equal to this quantity. When I said this quantity, I meant the quantity on the right hand side. That's it. The rest is simple. Now we put down our equation. The amount by which exceeds 50 is right here. The amount by which x exceeds 50 is right here. It's x minus 50. X minus 50, this quantity equals the amount by which it falls short of 100, which is this guy right here, 100 minus x plus the 12. All you have to do is solve this quantity, solve this equation for 100, and we are done. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what we are going to do. I need the room and I don't want to keep it going down, so I'm going to do it on the top here. We don't need the question anymore. I'm going to erase it. So this is the amount by which it falls short of 100. Right here. So we carry on with our equation here. Continue here. X minus 50, the amount by which it exceeds 50 equals 12 more than the amount that it falls short of 100. Let's solve for x then. So here we get 12 plus 100 minus x minus 50. Let's add x to both sides. If we add x to both sides, this is plus, that gives us 2x, and this is minus x, this is plus x, so that cancels out. And let's add 50 to both sides. So negative 50 and a positive 50 will cancel out. 2x equals 100 plus a 50, which is 150 plus a 12. 150 plus 12 is 162. 2x equals 162. Let's bring the 2x closer to the equal sign. Divide both sides by 2 and you will get that x equals to 81. Voila, x equals to 81. Let's verify that, shall we? I'm going to erase this part again because again we need the room, so I'm going to erase this part now. Let's verify it. You must always verify your answer because that's the prudent thing to do. It only takes a few seconds. So we're going to verify it. 81 is our answer. We know that 81 exceeds 50 by, how much does 81 exceeds 50 by? It exceeds 50 by 31. And we also know that 81 falls short of 100 by, how much does 81 fall short of 100? 80 falls short of 100 by 20, so 81 must fall short of 100 by 19. And what is the difference between the two? The difference between the two better be 12, because this quantity we were told is 12 more. Let's see what the difference is here. I'll borrow 1, so it's 11 minus 9 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. There you go. It fits. It fits in the problem. It gives us exactly what we're looking for, that the amount by which 81 exceeds 50 is exactly 12 more than the amount by which 81 falls short of 100. 81 falls short of 100 by 19, and therefore 19 plus 12 is 31, which is the amount by which 81 exceeds 50. That's all. We're done for today. I will see you tomorrow on day number 197. But that's what you have to do. You have to, when you're coming up with your equation, you make sure that you take your sweet time. As you can see, I'm doing it in a very leisurely pace. We're not being timed. We're not here to show how much we know. We are here to learn. Okay? In the exam is when you're sitting there to show how much you have already learned. In which case, time is of the essence. You got to keep on moving. Here we are here to learn. Just take your sweet time. Do it in a leisurely way. Make sure that the equation that you come up with is the right equation. That is the most important ingredient. Otherwise, the rest is futile. If the equation itself is wrong, what good is it going to do if you solve that equation in a proper way? Even if you solve it in the right way, the given equation, but the equation itself was wrong, so the answer is going to be wrong. Make sure you come up with the right equation. Anyway, enough said. I will see you tomorrow on day number 197. Alright? Thanks. Bye.